Join me as I dive into the world of renter's insurance and challenge myself to find the best coverage to protect my dream home in Pennsylvania. As a renter in Pennsylvania, you're probably aware of how important it is to have a safe and comfortable place to call home. But have you ever stopped to think about what would happen if something unexpected were to happen to your personal belongings? A fire, a break-in, or a natural disaster could leave you without the things that matter most. That's where renter's insurance comes in. It's a type of insurance that can help protect your personal belongings and give you peace of mind. Some people think that their personal property is automatically covered by their landlord's insurance. That's not the case. Your landlord's insurance only covers the building itself, not your personal belongings. Without renter's insurance, you could be left with significant financial losses if something were to happen. Another misconception is that renter's insurance is too expensive. However, it's often more affordable than people think. In fact, the cost of renter's insurance is often just a few dollars a month. It's a small price to pay for the protection and peace of mind it offers. Another misconception is that renter's insurance only covers your belongings if you're at fault. However, renter's insurance can also cover your belongings if someone else is responsible for the damage. So what exactly does renter's insurance cover? For starters, it covers your personal property, including your furniture, clothes, and electronics. If something happens to your belongings, renter's insurance can help replace them. It also covers liability, which means that if someone gets hurt in your home, you're protected. And if you need to temporarily relocate due to damage to your home, renter's insurance can help cover additional living expenses. For example, let's say a pipe bursts in your apartment and you're forced to move out for a few weeks. Renter's insurance can help cover the cost of a hotel room and food. Or if someone gets hurt in your home and sues you, renter's insurance can help cover the cost of legal fees. These are just a few examples of the types of situations where renter's insurance can be a lifesaver. Let me tell you a story about someone who learned the hard way about the importance of renter's insurance. A few years ago, a woman's apartment building caught on fire. She lost all of her belongings and was forced to move out for several months. Unfortunately, she didn't have renter's insurance and was left with significant financial losses. She had to spend thousands of dollars to replace her belongings and pay for temporary housing. It was a tough lesson to learn, but she wishes she had taken the time to get renter's insurance. Her story is a great example of why renter's insurance is so important. Without it, you're leaving yourself vulnerable to financial losses. In Pennsylvania, the reality is that disasters can happen to anyone. Having renter's insurance can provide a sense of security and stability. By getting renter's insurance, you can protect your personal belongings and have peace of mind. So, to recap, renter's insurance is a must-have for anyone renting a home in Pennsylvania. It can help protect your personal belongings, provide liability, coverage, and even help with additional living expenses. It's affordable and can give you peace of mind. If you have any thoughts about renter's insurance, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Have you had any experiences with renter's insurance? Share them with us. And if you're interested in learning more about renter's insurance or other helpful tips, be sure to check out my other videos.